The contest for building the St. Isaac's Cathedral was announced in 1809 by Alexander the Great. So the best architects of the time were participating, including Adrian Zakharov, Andrei Voronikhin, Vasily Stasov, Giacomo Quarenghi, Charles Cameron. But none of the design projects was satisfactory for the emperor. So in 1816, following the advice of the Committee on Construction and Hydraulic Works, Augustin Betancourt, the work was commissioned to the young architect Auguste Bonferrand. So the consecrations happened as a public holiday, and Alexander II and the most August family was attended. So sadly, our photograph is not attributed. However, the level of the event and camera angle makes us think that a high-class master was allowed to the ceremony. From 1840s, public life of royal family was covered by professional photographers, including Karl Bergamasco, Andrei Dernier, Sergei Levitsky, Anacleto Pazzetti, von Gam, and Ivan Alexandrovsky. Each of them got the official right to call himself supplier and court photographer. For that, a photographer had to make photos of the royal family for 8 to 10 years. So, from the reign of Alexander II, most photographies of the royal family were intended for replication in the press. So, the salt photography saw the widest spread from 1840s to 1860s. However, the salt photography, although being imperfect, resulted long-lasting enough to render images of those days. And we owe the arrival of this photo technique to English chemist and physicist William Henry Fox Talbot. To get a positive image on paper, a sodium chloride solution and silver nitrate was applied on the paper. Later on, the processed sheet would be dried by using paper negatives. So the technological features of taking a photograph led to the situation when the clearest image was in the center of the photo. Edges were flopping and blurred, and quite often the missing details were added by an ink, and quite often the image was covered by lacquered collodion. So technologically, this step was excessive, but it was required to add depth in vulnerable spots of the photographer. So the damages of photographs could be divided into three groups, like biological, fly and roach traces and mold, chemical, yellowing, foxings, fading, and emulsion peeling, and mechanic, like tears, folds, losses of emulsion layer or paper. So for the salt photographs, they are really vulnerable to all so-called diseased characteristic of paper. And for a long period of time, each master would prepare paper for his own. And there was no serial production of photo paper. That's why photographs of that period require a very thorough preliminary investigation. So this is the way how a salt paper image looks, if magnified many times. And here you can see that on the salt paper you see a very clear image in the very center, and it's blurred or closer to the edges. So preliminary research of the artifacts were made with a microscope with a 40-fold magnification, and the examinations showed all the attributes, characteristics for salt photograph. So the clearly visible paper fibers matte surface, so the image was created in the paper fibers. You have all the properties for fading images, evidence closer to the edges, and blurring of the details at the edges. And these artifact under investigation has no traces of retouch. So the photo was not coated by lacquer or varnish, which was a frequent device at that time, which makes our artifact unique as such. And I must apologize now. Sadly, we couldn't open the file, the source file, with the original condition of the artifact. So, and I had to show it. So the photo was pasted to a paper passport with a water-based glue. So it was highly contaminated, yellowed, and had all signs of fading. So at the right, there is a line of spots from unknown etiology. So there were mechanical damages, foxings, and crossing intrusions. The lowest edge of passepartout was completely deformed. You have three big tears, including deep, very deep ones, which reached the edge of the photo image. So the initial visual inspection of the artifact showed that it was in a ruined state and required conservation. So based on identification, the plan for conservation was developed. So the artifact was mechanically cleaned by a soft brush and cotton pads. Later on, it was processed with an eraser of medium and high softness, and the mice traces were removed. So then the photograph was dampened for it to be able for the duplication to be possible. And later on, works continues separately with the passepartout and the photograph. So this is what we had after the duplication. So the image was subject to processing with a water solution of methyl cellulose, and then it was washed through in a distilled water, and it was reduplicated on a conserved passepartout and pressed. So contaminations on passepartout, which we couldn't remove mechanically, were processed by chemicals, and we used the 79% of the water solution, and for the complete processing, we later on used the 3% solution, and then flushed the photo with distilled water. Later on, the losses were recovered, and tears and folds were reinforced. So the passepartout was reduplicated to a Japanese paper. So again, we used the methyl cellulose water solution, and then we used many layers of filtering paper, and it was pressed between cardboard and in among the wooden blocks. So it was pressed for nearly half a year, and at the end of the day, we achieved the situation when no falls were visible, and we did our best to reach a smoother condition of the paper. So this is what we got finally. And the photograph proved to be very favorable for conservation, and I was really happy because I had the chance to wash it and treat it. I tried to be as delicate as possible, and And the fact that we could deduplicate separately the photograph and the passport, so this was really my good luck, and we were really very happy with the result. So the monitoring of the artifact for 27 months shows the absence of negative changes in its condition. So as the result of the conservation, the integrity of the artifact was restored, so and it can use for further exhibiting and scientific research. If you have questions, feel free to ask me. So, about reduplicating. Yeah, as I said, I dampened the photo by the simplest way. I took a lot of filtering paper. I used the pulverizer, the sprayer. I put the photograph on top. I dampened many layers of paper, filtering paper we use for conservation. So it was like a sandwich, and it wasn't completely dampened. It allowed me to keep the integrity of the photograph. Well, of course, given what we had by that moment of time, but I was really happy. So it was water based, and so yes, the result was very positive. But what glue did you use? Yeah, it was based on starch. I used methyl cellulose uh, to reduplicate the glue was as liquid as possible. Yeah, so we used water-based glue, very clear to those carpenters use, but originally it was really liquid. So, but the photo came off very easily. Now, what regarding the color? So it was yellowish, you know. Yeah, and of course it had the smell, as such artifacts normally have. Thank you.